Hey y'all, my name is Shelby and I'm one of the listing coordinators here at Georgia Perimeter Homes. I'm here with you today to give you insight as to what it means to be a listing coordinator and what that means for you as the potential client. So after we get a signed listing agreement, I would be in direct contact with you immediately. I would go over with you, first and foremost, introducing myself and go over some of the forms that you may need, including but not limited to a seller's property disclosure, lead-based paint agreement, and the wire fraud form. I would also set up your pictures and, if necessary, a video walkthrough. We set up with our photographers and we have great vendors that we use currently, and so we would make sure that you are taken care of, that your pictures are done properly and set up in a time frame that's perfect for you. During our initial conversation, we will also discuss getting a sign and lockbox placed out at your property. The sign will be a Georgia Perimeter Homes sign, and then the lockbox will be for agents. We will get a spare key for you all set up, and we will get the lockbox put at a convenient location for agents to access. We will also go over your showing availability so that agents are given a guideline as to when your home is able to be shown. This can be perfectly fit around your schedule and whatever is most convenient for you as the client. After our initial conversation, we will then work with marketing to set up any open houses, whether that may be virtual or in-person open houses based on your personal preference. After your home is officially listed, our listing team and lead listing specialist will sit down weekly to discuss any changes or updates that need to be made to your listing, as well as any marketing aspects that we may like to tweak or update to better market your property. While your home is listed with us, you can expect weekly updates from our listing team. These weekly updates will include feedback on any showings that your property has had, as well as results from any advertising. Thank you so much for joining us today. We hope to be working with you very soon. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact our office at 770-314-1285. Thank you.